Greetings, curious minds. Welcome to Frontier Obscura, where we dive deep into the bizarre, unravel the unknown, and shine a light on the shadows of the universe. Buckle up for a journey to the edges of human knowledge.
Today, we dive into the Mediterranean depths to discover a device that shouldn't exist, an ancient computer that has shattered our understanding of what ancient civilizations were capable of. The year is 1901. Off the coast of a tiny Greek island called Antikythera, sponge divers descend into the azure waters. In the gloom below, they find an ancient shipwreck. But among the expected cargo of statues and amphoras lies something that will haunt archaeologists for over a century. A mysterious box, encrusted with centuries of marine growth. Inside, a mechanism of impossible complexity, dozens of bronze gears meshed together with astronomical precision, gears that wouldn't look out of place in an 18th century clock. Except this device was created over 2,000 years ago. The Antikythera Mechanism, as it came to be known, represents a level of technological sophistication that shouldn't have existed in ancient Greece. Its complexity wouldn't be matched for another 1,000 years. Some researchers have even suggested it could be evidence of time travelers or advanced ancient civilizations. But the true story might be even more unsettling. Picture the ancient port of Rhodes around 150 BCE. In a dimly lit workshop, master craftsmen labor over bronze gears, cutting teeth with precision we can barely match today. They're creating a device that will track the known universe, a mechanical computer that can predict celestial events with uncanny accuracy. Speaking of uncanny prediction, I predict you're enjoying this video, and if you are, please take a quick moment to subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Now, let's get back to today's topic. The mechanism contained at least 30 gears, possibly many more. Each tooth had to be cut precisely. A deviation of less than half a millimeter would render the entire device useless. Remember, this was an age before magnifying glasses, before precise measuring tools. How did they achieve such perfection? Modern X-ray analysis has revealed text hidden inside the mechanism, a kind of instruction manual written in ancient Greek. But it's what this manual reveals that truly disturbs our understanding of ancient knowledge. The device could predict eclipses decades in advance. It tracked the movements of the 5 known planets. It even accounted for the irregular orbit of the moon, what we now call the first lunar anomaly. This means its creators understood that the moon's orbit varies in speed as it travels around the Earth. But how did they gain this knowledge? The mathematics needed to describe these movements wouldn't be discovered for another millennium. The engineering principles employed in its construction wouldn't be invented until the Renaissance. Even more puzzling are the fragments we haven't deciphered. Some researchers believe the mechanism had additional functions we haven't yet understood. The front of the device features a complex spiral dial that might have tracked the 4-year cycle of the Olympic Games. But other dials remain mysterious. The engineering skill required to create this device suggests there must have been prototypes, earlier versions, a whole tradition of mechanical computing we know nothing about. So where are they? Some historians suggest that the knowledge to create such mechanisms was deliberately destroyed. The Roman Empire, ascending to power around this time, preferred practical engineering to Greek mathematical abstractions. Did they systematically eradicate this technology? Or perhaps more disturbing, what if the Antikythera mechanism wasn't unique? What if similar devices were common among the educated elite of the ancient world? The bronze used to make them would have been incredibly valuable to conquering armies. Perhaps they were all melted down, their secrets lost to the crucible of war. Consider this. The shipwreck that contained the mechanism was likely a Roman vessel, carrying looted Greek treasures to Rome. Was this device being transported as a curiosity, a trophy, or was it considered valuable enough to preserve while others were destroyed? The mathematics encoded in its gears reveals something even more unsettling. The ancient Greeks understood that celestial movements followed mathematical patterns, but the Antikythera mechanism goes beyond mere observation. It suggests they understood the underlying principles governing these movements. This raises a chilling question. How much ancient knowledge have we truly lost? If they could create a mechanical computer to track the cosmos, what other technologies might they have possessed? Recent studies suggest the device might have been based on mathematics developed by Archimedes himself, but most of Archimedes' works were lost when the Library of Alexandria burned. What other wonders did those flames consume? The Antikythera mechanism stands as a ghostly reminder of lost knowledge. It suggests our ancestors were far more sophisticated than we imagined, and it raises the disturbing possibility that humanity's progress isn't a straight line forward, but rather a series of advances and catastrophic losses, with entire technologies vanishing into the mists of time. Perhaps most unsettling is this final thought. If we could be so wrong about the technological capabilities of ancient Greece, what other ancient civilizations might have possessed knowledge that we've dismissed as impossible? What other mechanical wonders might still lie beneath the waves, waiting to reshape our understanding of human history? The Antikythera mechanism isn't just an ancient computer. It's a warning from history, a reminder that knowledge, no matter how advanced, can be lost. And somewhere in the darkness of time, our ancestors' new secrets we're only beginning to rediscover.